Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sarah B Beauty. I'm bringing you guys a updated makeup room tour. The last video I did, some people complained that the video was kind of blurry, and it was, so I took it down. No problem, and I redid it. So thank you guys for all the love you guys been showing me on all my videos, and thank you to all the new subscribers. Guys, I am talking about another giveaway inside this video, so you have to watch the video all the way through so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment down below, and hope you guys enjoy this video of me showing you a clearer version of my makeup room. And like, again, thank you guys. I appreciate every last one of y'all. I love you guys so much. So make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, and what else do I want to say, y'all? Like this video. And guys, I want to say, dang, y'all, I lost my train of thought. Oh, y'all, hopefully it'll come back to me. But y'all, this has been an amazing ride. Oh, we've gotten to 296, y'all. We got 4 more to go. 4 more people to go to subscribe, guys, to get the giveaway. Y'all excited? I'm excited. Yay. So come on, y'all, we can do it. Hey, get these other 4. Y'all find them. I don't know where y'all gonna find them at. Find them on the rock, find them on the mountain, wherever you gotta find them. I'm just playing, y'all. But thank you guys so much for the love, and I appreciate every last one of you guys. I thank you guys for commenting. I do read them all. I read every last one of them, and I try to comment back. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So let's go. Okay, so this is the view when you first walk in the room. I'm standing in front of the door. And then to my right, here is my little wall that I kind of want to decorate. Because first I was going to use this area as filming, but then y'all, I kept changing. I kept changing it up, and then I just have a mirror behind the door. And that's me. I have on my house coat, y'all. So, but yeah. So I kind of decorated this little shelf. It's just decorated with a bunch of different makeup. And then on top, I have my viewfinder for my camera. And then I just, you know, have it kind of decorated with just different stuff. As y'all can tell, I love pink. And then these are like my little pictures that I liked. I found these pictures at Burlington, and those pictures are like just wing it out today, like lash. It has like lashes on there, and it has wings on the end, with the eyeliner being winged out. I just thought those was cute and unique, and those were different. So I grabbed those. And then over here, I just have a shelf. I'm trying not to stumble over nothing, y'all. But this is my little shelf that I decorated. I just kind of put my initials up there, and 2 shopping bags from Sephora's. And then my Venice flowers. They're fake, but I think they're fake, but they have like a scent to them, and they stay pretty, y'all. And they are very, very expensive. And then I put a variety of different makeup, and I put a flower there in the mirror behind the flower. And it's just a lot of different variety of makeup by different brands. There's no particular brand. They're all different. That'll be a long video, guys, if I got to pulling out drawers showing you guys everything that's in these drawers. Those are my Stila eyeshadow that you can see. I'm already messing up. That you can put together. I mean, used as a liquid eyeshadow, but it's really pretty, and you don't have to have a base with it. Yeah, I can't. Oh, I done knocked them over, so I have to fix them, or it'll drive me insane to know that they're leaning. But I can come back to this. I don't want to make it too long. But I just have like a variety of stuff in there. And then the bottom is the same way. Just a different variety of foundations. Those are glitter pigments, loose eyeshadows. Then I have lip gloss. Then there's more stuff down here at the bottom, like lipstick, my facial sprays, my setting sprays, and then more lip gloss. And then over here, I just decided to put these are fake flowers that I got from IKEA. These are really, really pretty. I like them. Just to give you like an illusion of a flower. Well, not a flower, but the leaves. And then I just put this bubbled base here to hold them. I thought it was kind of cute. And then my little book that I use to write in when I have ideas. Stuff like that. And then over here, there's this it's a clock. It lights up. It's a neon clock that I got at Walmart. And it comes on, it's neon. And then those little frames right there, I need to put some pictures in there, but I haven't yet. And then I just have a thing that says Beast. And I have this chair that I threw this throw on from Burlington, and my pillows. And then I found this little footstool from Burlington. And then on the side of this, y'all know I like shiny stuff. So I got this throw, but when you do it like that, y'all know what I'm trying to say. When you rub it, you can rub it white or you can rub it silver. So I like that, but I don't use it on the other side because that sequin stuff is kind of scratchy. And then over here, I have just a little table that I just kind of put together. And then in that pink box, I have like lashes, and then I have like a picture book sitting on top of that. And then I got this lamp from Missy. This is, y'all, I hope this is enough light. But I got this lamp from Missy. It's gold sequins. And she didn't know what she was going to do with it, so she just gave it to me. So she only had one, so I'm keeping it. My little souvenir, my boo. So, yeah. And then this is London over here, y'all. She needs to be so redecorated. She's like so outdated. I used to try to keep her dressed all the time, but I haven't really did much to her lately. And then I have my little white curtains in the back. These lace curtains that I have hanging up. And I do have lights hanging up behind them. Y'all won't be able to see them anyways because of the light. So then over here, here's my other shelf that I just kind of put Mom, and I keep my perfume over here. And I just have a variety of perfume. And then that little sign says, "This girl can." And then down here, I just have my fingernail polish. I have some lipstick, some liquid lipstick. This from different people, different brands. And then I just have a few jewelry like necklaces that I bought from Miss A down there. Those are really, once you wear them, it's over. So just a one-time wear. But I got my eyeshadows. And then over here, this is my little wall that I made for my units that I've made. I made all 3 of those. And then up there above it is 2 little shelves. It has just like my Jackie Aina bag. Behind that, I think is Shayla's collab that she did with Maybelline. That's in that gold box behind it. And then, of course, it's the flower wall. I gotta finish it, y'all. I stopped halfway because I ran out. But I need to, well, I'm gonna do this whole wall flowers. Yeah, am I out? Let me zoom out in so you can see a little bit. But yeah, I bought those roses and those, what do you call those, bonds. I bought them from Amazon. They were really not that expensive. They were really reasonable. I think the flowers are like $12.99, and then the bonds are like the same, like $12.99. But yeah, I just have to finish this wall. And so over here, that's just my impression vanity. And then I have like some pink flowers sitting on top of it. Then I have some brushes, some eyeshadows, and then my BB candles. And then my cup that says Grandma. Y'all, because I do have a grandbaby. I I have one. So, I don't know if y'all can read that, but yeah, that's what that says. And then this is my little mirror. It says Beast. And it's a mirror on the other side. So I keep it turned over. So the mirror stays clean. Because, you know, it gets dusty. And over here, I just have my calculator. I just like this little sponge. So when I'm having my beauty blenders and they're dirty, I can just set them on top of here instead of setting them on top of this glass. And then I have my brushes. Then I have my close-up mirror there. And then I just have a pair of heels because I couldn't figure out exactly what to put on this wall. I mean, on that shelf. So I just kind of threw some heels up there. And then, of course, it's your girl. You know, she got to be up in here somewhere. Picture of me. And a little necklace that I put up there. And then I just have a variety of eyeshadow palettes from different brands. And then that's my stinker butt up there. And then that's my, what is that one called? What is it called? P. Louise makeup palette. It's the eyeshadow palette. And then I have that gold teddy bear. It has like eyeshadows in it when you open it. And I just put a pink bear up there with it. No reason why. And then these dresses, y'all. These are going to be a giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway for those. I don't want to too much really mess with them. But they are going to come up in a giveaway. And I'll just, you know, later on I'll tell you guys about that. And then, of course, I'm still holding these makeup boxes, y'all. So, I'm waiting. I think we're at 296. We have like 4. We have 4 more to go when I check. So, we still haven't quite made it to 300. And then this is just my floor mirror, my Present Impressions Vanity floor mirror. It's got a crack when the UPS people delivered it to Missy. They had cracked it. So she called me and asked me if I wanted it because I'm going to get it fixed. But right now, I mean, I haven't because, y'all, that's a whole nother story. But I don't want to hold you guys up. But yeah, I'm going to get it fixed later. I just have to find somebody that can cut this mirror and can cut holes for my lights. And I'll show you guys. Oh, that's kind of bright. I know, y'all. But that's what the mirror looks like. It's just a big floor mirror, y'all. It lights up the whole room. And then, this is my little desk that I film at for YouTube. And I sit there. There's my cameras. There's my lights. I'll switch my lights again. But I think these are better because I don't have to use all those boxes in there. And it keeps a little bit of room in here between me and these two desks. So, yeah. But, I mean, this is just like my little workstation. So, this is where I sit and film. Because I really don't want to get this one dirty. So, the lights is not that great for filming in front of it. Because it kind of makes it like look like it has a glare or something behind it. Maybe I might have them turned up too bright too. But it just didn't give me the light that I want for my videos. So, yeah. So, that's it, y'all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this one is more clearer and you guys can see everything. Y'all see those dresses? Y'all, they beautiful. It's 3 of them. Y'all better come on now. Come on with these subscribers. I'm just teasing y'all, but yeah. But I am gonna give them away though, for real, y'all. So I just kind of want to re-update my vanity room for you guys. And I will see you guys in another video.